Smells like fresh leather. Ooh-wee. Never mind. Forget about that. Let's get into this unboxing. I want to just rip this box open right this second. So, here we go. Just kidding, it's a bag. And a bag. In a bag. This has been sitting in my room for a while, so like a lot of my bags. This is actually an outlet piece. I don't normally buy outlet pieces, and I'm not a big fan of pebbled leather, which is a lot of the outlet, and cross grain. But I made an exception because I thought this bag was beautiful, and also it was 70% off plus an additional 20% off, which made it like 90%. But the way that they actually do the discounts is they take 70% off, and then once they've priced the 70% off, then they do an additional 20. So it's like you get an extra 20 after the fact. I don't know. It's weird math, but it doesn't quite work out to be 90. It would be a lot more of a discount than I'd be like, they're giving this away. But they're not quite, so. This is as good as it gets. This is the Coach Morgan top handle. The leather doesn't feel as soft as the retail pebbled leather, because I do have a retailed pebbled leather piece, but it's really nice. It was on back order, so I didn't think I was going to get it. I was so sad, but then they actually sent me a brand new one, so it's all factory wrapped and everything perfect. So I guess they just made a few more. So I got this nice paper here. We're going to unbag this together so I can use it. I loved the handle on this because I find the Morgan bags in general are kind of meh, but the top handle detail made it for me. This is a keeper bag. I already know a few things that'll go well with it, like chains wise and stuff that I have. My gosh, this is so well wrapped. Like sometimes I think too well wrapped, like necessary. I don't know, but at least this didn't get crushed at all. It's perfect. It maintains perfect condition. I also like the purple metal detail. I don't know how the enamel coating's gonna hold up, but it looks really cute. Feels kind of heavy. Smells like fresh leather. Ooh-wee. Oh, it's stuffed with a lot of paper. I should do a what fits in my bag video because I want to switch to this bag, but I've currently been using a Shearling tote bag and I don't think I can downsize at the moment. My stuff is too big to fit in here. But maybe I could. We'll think about it. Like being able to carry my selfie stick. I'd need like something super compact to fit in here. So supposedly it retails for 610 Canadian, but I paid like 140 plus tax. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's like on caliber with retail, but like some of these pieces from this collection, I feel like you could believe that they're from the retail. They're actually pretty nice. It reminds me of some of the retail designs like the beat bag and stuff like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Seems all wrapped up. Hopefully it's garbage day soon, because I got a bunch of garbage. Do you guys enjoy watching unboxings where you see everything be unwrapped, or do you just prefer to just see the actual bag and what it looks like. Let me know in the comments, because I'm curious. Okay, so you got these D-rings here for attaching. And then the hang tag has the enamel coating of the purple, but these are silver. So you could use like a silver chain with it, or chain strap if you want to. It's versatile. I like bags with removable straps. I don't think I like any that don't have removable straps, or own any that don't have removable straps. I must show you guys how the bag will look with chains and such and accessories. So it only comes with one strap, unfortunately. So it's just carry it by this, or by the long strap, or adjust it. 7 adjustable holes, so that's pretty good. Yeah, this is so cute. Morgan top handle, this is the nicest one. They need to add more handle details, like just little details to the bag, because otherwise I find the design too plain. Some of the outlet designs are just too common, boring. They're not special enough. You need to put more into the design, not just on the retail designs, because this collection, chef's kiss, I love it. I have more things to unbox from this collection, so yes. I will probably do an unboxing of those in one separate video and maybe review them, but I won't show what fits in them because it'll just be like an unboxing haul. What I notice about the outlet is the hardware is very much cheaper. It just feels lighter, which in a sense is nice because it means your bag is lighter. Hardware is not as heavy, but maybe not gonna be as quality, like for the color on the leather, the quality of the leather and everything. Let me go to my accessories and I will show you how those look on the bag. And I will do a separate what fits in my bag video because I'm not ready to switch bags yet. Here we go. So I have this chain. I don't know how well this goes. I don't know. I got this chain and I feel like it doesn't go with any bags that I own. Kind of regret getting this chain. I don't know. It doesn't quite fit this bag. But you get the idea. A chain would be nice. For some reason my flap is sitting lopsided. I don't know why. But yeah, this is a really pretty chain anyway. Just falls behind the bag. Stay tuned for my next video when I show what fits in my bag, and also once my matching wallet arrives, because I got a matching wallet to go with it. And then I'll do a more thorough review because I feel like I need a second opinion because I feel like this flap is lopsided. Something or I'm going crazy. I don't know what's happened, but either way, I'm still going to keep it even if it's lopsided because I don't have any left anymore and it's super cute. 10 out of 10 recommend that they make more pastel for me and all us pastel girlies out there. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well for more purse content because, yeah, help support the channel so I can buy more bags. Because don't you want me to have more bags?